Who kayo as a mom?
I was a mother more than a wife, okay? Because Ninoy was so busy with his political career, and I was determined that I would be a very good mother. I didn't want my children to be deprived of both father and mother. Talaga, I'm glad I did spend all the time with them because when martial law came and I needed them, they were all ready to help us. Alam ko that he did not die in vain. Siguro masakit noon kung napatay na siya, tapos umuwi kami rito at takot pa rin ang mga tao. So, kung hindi ko nakita yung support na galing sa ating mga kababayan, ay siguro, sabi ko, ay naku, nagkamali si Ninoy. These people are not worth dying for. Biruin mo naman yung halos 2 milyon ang sasali dun sa yung funeral procession. And iniisip ko na, wow, sabi ko, sana nalaman ni Ninoy before he left the US, alam mo, Ninoy, kung mamatay ka at pag nilibing ka, 2 milyon, sabi ko, lalong mas mabilin siguro kay Ninoy because I will always tell me, Corey, I've always wanted to die for our country. Kaya siguro, pero kung hindi nangyari yun, naku, siguro sa sama ng loob ko, ay naku, umanap na lang tayo ng ibang bayan. Pero wala, talagang nobody expected it, nobody orchestrated it, parang it was so simultaneous and yeah, so unexpected, but it was something that really changed me also.
I hereby affirm my candidacy.
Palagay ko kailangan ako mandidato dahil ito naman, hindi alam ng daddy na ako maging kandidato, pero ang gusto nating lahat ay maibalik ang demokrasya. Tapos, si Bolsi, although she doesn't remember that, she said, Mom, haven't we sacrificed enough? Sabi niya gano'n. Pagkatapos, si Chris, go for it, Mom! Sabi niya gano'n.
They say that your victory as president was the best revenge sa mga Marcoses. Did you
hindi naman
feel that way?
Hindi naman yung revenge ang hinahanap ko eh. Talagang gusto ko, sabi ko, ituloy natin ang laban ni Ninoy. Ang laban nga niya upang maibalik ang ating demokrasya.
Ma'am, nung presidente po kayo, you remember the highs and the lows?
First, yung nakita mo yung mga mamamayan na talagang nagpunta sa EDSA at saka sinisigaw yung pangalan mo at talagang nakahanda sila, naialay ang lahat, pati yung kanilang mga buhay upang maibalik ang demokrasya.
President of the Republic of the Philippines!
The highs, well, I have to admit, when I went to the United States.
Today I say, join us, America, as we build a new home for democracy, another haven for the oppressed, so it may stand as a shining testament of our two nations' commitment.
Naalala niyo pa that moment when you entered the U.S. Congress?
Ay, talaga.
And there was a standing ovation.
Oo. Naku, maraming, parang, wow. At alam mo, ang nakakagulat mo din, Jessica, wala akong nervous nun eh. Kaya sabi ko, bakit kaya ganito ang feeling ko? Everything just went so well na talagang, wow, it's just what's happening to me. So yun, at saka, yun na, nakakagulat na, kilala pala ako. So, nung araw, asawa ko ni Ninoy, or, ngayon naman, talagang mami ako ni Chris. But, that was really, well, I just felt so. And then, of course, making it to the cover of Time magazine, that had to be really high. And, noong araw, yung malagay lang yung pangalan ko sa Time or Newsweek, tuntuan ako eh.
You were a very popular president, pero ang observation, she didn't play along. She was just what she was.
Ayoko nga yung arte-arte.
Oo nga ho.
Because that's not me. At I don't want to pretend to be somebody that I am not.
Ma'am, unfortunately, there were also the law.
Yeah, oo.
Naalala niyo rin ho ba yung mga hindi magandang mga nangyayari?
Oo. Yung sa Mendiola, masyadong masakit sa akin yun. Dahil hindi ko naman nais ng gawin lang. Saka merong ng gulo doon. Of course, the co-attempts for the worst. Akala ko yun, parang, ito na ang goodbye, no? Akala nila, people power, then they would take over. Nakalimutan nila na kung wala yung people power doon, di natodas na rin sila. I can safely say that now, after all these years, people still accept me for what I am. That when I say something, they accept it as the truth and nothing else.
Do you think, ma'am, it's wrong for a lot of us to put so much expectation or hope on the presidency to get us out of our problem?
Siguro, kailangan, tanungin mo muna ang sarili mo, ano bang nagawa ko na para sa ating bayan, ano? Of course, you're not expected to do as much as what the president, the leaders of our country, but there should be some contribution. I suppose, we all have to change in the sense that, for those of us who have done nothing yet or have done very little, for the rest of our fellow Filipinos, it's time to wake up and to do something.
But I asked Noynoy and Chris when they announced that you were sick with colon cancer. Tinanong ko si Noynoy, don't you feel na parang sobra naman yung quota niyo of suffering? And then you had to go through, and now your mom.
Of course, I have my bad days with this cancer, but just knowing that so many people are praying for me, alam mo, Jessica, pag nakatanggap ka ng mga sulat from people you don't know, and they tell you that, you know, we're really praying for you, talagang, maski pa paano iniisip mo, wow, ano ba yung kabutihan na nagawa ko para napakaraming pakikiisa sa akin. So, thank you very much.
Pero ma'am, don't you feel that sometimes you deserve naman a more restful and a more peaceful retirement?
Ewan ko na nga eh. But, no, I can't really complain because, as I said siguro, I've had it so much better than perhaps 90% of the Philippine population. So I'm grateful, and I realized payback time din naman eh. Hindi naman pwedeng lahat thank you ka na lang ng thank you. You have to pay back.
Pwede mo paki-explain nyo how prayers have shaped you as a person or how it has also helped you and your family through the very bad times?
Sabi nga namin nila, okay, we may not be perfect, but wala naman tayo mga napakabigat na kasalanan na nagawa para magkaroon tayo ng parusa katulad nito. But then you learn that because of those sufferings, you become better.
Gusto niyo lang po magbigay ng message to everyone.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa inyo lahat at lalong-lalo na sa Panginoong Diyos na ginawa niya akong isang Pilipino. Dahil talagang karangalan ko yon na maging katulad ninyo at maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong na binigay niyo sa akin.